All right, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Perplexity computer skill. So let's go. What you're going to do is you're going to come up over here. You're going to click on computer right here, right? So if you're actually not using computer, you won't be able to. So if we're actually over here in new, you can go plus here and you can go and start hovering over. And there isn't really a way to do any kind of skill work right over here. But what you can do is you could do it from here, I think. No, you can't. So you want to go over here to the top left. You want to go to computer. Then you want to push this plus button and you want to go down to use skills. Now you can see we have one over here and it'll actually even explain exactly what that skill does, which is really cool. But we're going to click on create skill here. And then you're going to just tell it what you want it to do. So in this case, I want to say something like create a unique skill that. Okay, perfect. So here's what we've got. So we wrote this, use this create skill, right? Create a unique skill that automatically analyzes the YouTube channel URL the user pastes. It will analyze the last 50 videos and bring back the best performing titles. Then it will use this information to create new, but very specific or very similar titles to these from my YouTube channel here. So I'm going to come over here and this is my YouTube channel right here. Right? This current channel, I'm going to paste that in right here. And now I'm going to go right over here and say go. And now this is going to actually understand what we just created and it's going to create the skill for us. Look at what happens right over here. It is in a very specific format to create a skill like this. So it's going to create the custom skill for analyzing a YouTube URL, generates new titles, ideas for your AI content creation channel. Let me first check your existing similar skill so I can build something distinct and improved. So it's it already knows that we created a skill similar to this, but we want to create this skill. Now you can do it a couple different ways. You could create this a little bit more broad to where you could use this for any channel and you would just need to input the channel, your current channel, if you have multiple YouTube channels, and then the channel that you want it to analyze. Or I think even better, be very specific for each skill you create. And so now I have everything I need. Let me build a skill. So it's actually going to use other skills that it's created and build and improve on top of that as well. So the more you create skills and it will pull from those when it kind of needs to, right? So that's really, really cool. So what we're going to use is we're going to use this right here. This guy's like all over the place getting some really good views. So I want to go and kind of reverse engineer this person's channel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this. I'm going to push pause. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like this and click on this. And now we're at the channel URL, right? So there's 18 videos here. I'm going to go and copy this right here. And you can see that this is, they're getting a lot of views per video. We're going to come back to Perplexity and we're going to watch it. It's still, the skill's validating. Now I'll save it to your personal library so it's available in every future conversation. Done, your new skill right here, YouTube title generator right here for AICC is saved to your library and it'll tell you exactly what it does. And this is what the skill actually will look like right here. Like that. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and I'm going to push on computer. And now we're going to go and put this skill to the test. Okay. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to push the plus button. I'm going to use skill and we just created this one right here. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just paste that channel in. And this is the unique cool thing about this, right? Let's go right here. The cool part about this is that we no longer have to instruct or prompt or do anything. It just knows exactly what to do. And it knows that this is in a comparison for our AI content creation channel like this one right here. And it's going to pull that channel. Now we already know that that channel already has only has 18 videos. But imagine when I go and compare this to channels that have hundreds of videos on it. It's going to pull the last 50 videos, what's performing and recently on that channel, right? And right now it's going to, now notice that it says it's going to generate 25 new titles for AI content creation. We did not specify in our skill that we wanted to only create 10 titles or 20 or 30, right? So it decided 25 was a good way to go about it. Now you can fine tune your skill by going in and editing the skill and updating the instructions. But right now I think I like that 25 new titles. So now it's going and it's analyzing and the cool part about this with Perplexity Computer is that it is using the best models, AI models and large language models that it thinks will get the job done better. And so that's what's really cool is that like you don't have to think about like, is ChatGPT better? Is Claude better at this? Is Gemini better at this? It will decide for you. And that's what I really, really like that. It just takes the guesswork out. It takes the research work and all that out. And now it's saying it's got the data, 17 videos total. So I thought there was 18 on there, but that's pretty dang accurate, like 95% accurate. I found 17 of the 18 videos. It's created a snapshot, 10,900 subs. It recognizes all the videos that have done well. And we'll come back up here. It's working. So here's the top 10 winners right here by views and views per day and everything, right? So look at this. A lot of views coming in here. Stop prompting, do this instead. Claude co-work, right? So these are the titles that are doing really well on that channel that we want to reverse engineer. Breakouts right over here, boom. And then title patterns that are working. Stop this, do this instead. Hook dominates. 6 of the top 10 use this pattern right here, right? Tool versus tool comparison right there, boom. So Claude crushes ChatGPT, right? So it's just completely dissecting and reverse engineering this YouTube channel that's just taking off. It's brand new channel. So here's 25 new titles that we could go after right here. And maybe I'll go out and actually start sampling this and see if we can get some of these videos to rank. But now we have this really cool content plan in a matter of minutes. So you'll never run out of content. And this is the great way. And I actually have multiple YouTube channels. This one right here in particular is kind of brand new. It's kind of an experiment, but I have a lot of other channels, right? And so if you want more, in-depth AI tutorials, really cool stuff like this. I don't script my videos. I'm real with you right here. You can come hang out and watch my videos and learn something new. I've been doing this for about 6 years full time. I review tools on a daily basis. Then hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I really, really appreciate you. And if you want a place to hang out, I have a brand new school community right here, and I'll put a link below as well. And this is AI Software Workflows. We have 315 members. Go check it out. Come in here. We have a classroom section over here. And I just finished and completed this right here, module 1 through 8. If you want clarity with your software stack, right, whatever industry you're in, and you want clarity on the right tools and the minimum amount of tools that you need in order to get the job done and start making money in your business and moving the needle forward in your business, then this is the right place to be. AI Software Stack workflows. So go ahead and click that first link below and go and check out the school community. And I will see you in the next video.